refrigerator control board, the following steps will be required. Unplug the refrigerator. Before starting work, be sure to unplug the refrigerator from the electrical outlet. Board access. Remove the back or top panel to access the control board. Damage identification. Identify burnt traces and damaged capacitors on the board. Tools. To replace capacitors, you will need a soldering iron, soldering wire, pliers, and possibly a multimeter to check the integrity of the traces. Replacing capacitors. Unsolder the old capacitors, making sure not to overheat the board. Then solder the new capacitors, paying attention to the polarity. Restoring tracks. If necessary, repair burnt tracks using wire and solder. Testing. After replacing all components, connect the refrigerator to the mains and check if the board works correctly. Difficulties may arise during precise localization of damage and minor work with the board. Be careful not to damage other components. If you use high voltage diodes according to the circuit to restore the operation of a jammed compressor, then when voltage is applied to the motor, the following changes will occur. Current control. Diodes connected in different directions will only allow current to flow in one direction. This will create the ability to transfer current to the motor winding and ensure that it rotates in the correct direction. Magnetic changes. When AC current is applied to the motor winding, magnetic fields are created that interact with the magnets inside the compressor. This is the rotation of the motor and thus its work. Current changes in the rotor. The current occurring through the motor winding also causes currents in the rotor, which helps it rotate inside the stator. These processes allow the compressor to operate again. However, such changes to the circuit require special care and electrical knowledge. In the event of an important impact, such manipulations can create danger. So for safe repairs, it is recommended to contact professionals. When inspecting the refrigerator, a breakdown of the control board was discovered. The integrity of the refrigerator compressor windings was normal. After repairing the refrigerator control board, the motor did not start and the thermal protection worked. It became clear that the compressor itself was jammed. I used the method of restoring the compressor using 2 multi-directional diodes and a phase cable to the main line. The effectiveness of this method is 10%. It is important to understand that the engine jam occurred due to a lack of oil. In this particular case, the method did not work. The refrigerator is in the trash.